Up front, the 2020 Tata Safari gets split headlamps, muscular bumper, underbody skid plate, and Harrier-inspired fog lamp assembly. The rigged windshield, black orbs, black side molding, pronounced wheel arches and bold shoulder creases give a sporty look to its side profile. If the Tata Safari will enter into its new generation, it will meet the stricter safety norms. Similar to the current model, it will underpin the body-on-ladder chassis that could be modified for improving its structural integrity. Last year, Tata updated the Safari Storme with bigger alloy wheels. The 2020 Tata Safari might share its powertrain with the Harrier VAS 2.0L turbo diesel. It will meet the upcoming BS6 emission norms. Transmission choices will include both manual and automatic.